16 and 17 in chapter 5 information, which is wrongly calculated, sir. Wrongly calculated. ये तो minorities का हाल है, sir. Minorities का ये हाल है, sir. Sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, this is the book, sir. Outcome budget for the year 25-26. Minority Welfare Department, sir. Sir, I request, sir, please see the minority outcome budget, page number 16 and 17, sir. 16 and 17 in chapter 5, information, which is wrongly calculated, sir. The expenditure as rupees 1,676.13 crores against the actual figures of rupees 852.25 crores, sir. You see, sir, how can this be? Who are the ones who are preparing these books? How can they give us wrong figures? तो यही बताना चाह रहा हूं कि माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट का ये हाल है, सर. सर, when I say minority welfare का ये हाल है, sir. Now, if we have to see, sir, I'll go one by one, sir. MTF, sir, budget allocation 120, release including additional fund 120, actual expenditure 74.82, it is 25%. MTF, sir, again it is 25%, sir. Sir, RTF, it is 24%. Overseas, it is 59%, sir. Sir, now if you have to see Rajiv Yuva Vikasam, budget allocation 0, 0, 0, expenditure is also 0. Bank link subsidy, sir, the allocation is 300 crores, expenditure 300, and release is 300, and the expenditure is only 0.10, which is 0.03%, sir. Shadi Mubarak, sir, the budget allocation is 650, and they say release ho gaye 650, sir, but the real expenditure is only 345, which is 53%, sir. Waqf board, sir, 96%, yes. Actually 120, sir, 116 has been given to Waqf board, and I think those major amount is about the imam and muezzin, sir. So now if you have to go MSDP central share, sir, 30%, sir. 30%, sir. 66.66, and the actual expenditure is only 20, sir. Urdu Academy, sir, it is 47%. And again, Makkah Masjid, 25%. 4% training and employment, it is 4%, sir. Sir, and the calculations is on the page number 17, which I have said, sir. When we see, sir, the budget allocation for welfare scheme, coaching study center, assistant to CDEM, Hajj committee, Iftar, Christmas, Daratul Maarif, Usmania, Urdu Academy, survey commissioner, and hostel diets, hostel GI, and cash grant, CM Iftar, state function, Waqf tribunal, ये पूरे जो लेते हैं, sir, the total allocation is 2,258, sir. And when we calculate the actual expenditure, sir, here in this book, it is saying 1,676, sir. And when I calculated, the actual expenditure is only 852.25 crores, sir. This is only 38%. Sir, how can... नहीं मैडम, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं आप नहीं समझे मैडम. मैं ये बोल रहा हूं, यहां पर जो calculations जो दिए हैं, when total करते हैं, तो it has to be right. 1 plus 1 is going to be 2, 2 plus 1 is going to be 3, 3 plus 1 is going to be 4, 4 plus 1 is going to be 5, 5 plus 1 is going to be 6, 6 plus 1 is going to be 7. It cannot be 11 or 13, madam. So here the calculation, the totaling is wrong. The totaling is wrong. So this, and the reason I'll say, madam, why the totaling is wrong. You can see the page number 17, outcome budget of minority welfare, madam. And also, the reason for me to say this is that, sir, I have been demanding from years and years together, sir. Years and years together, sir. So the tribal welfare department, sir, in 2024, the total government employees in this department were 8,405, sir. Now today, today, sir, which is 25-26, they have 8,418 people, sir, working. Scheduled caste department, sir, in the year 2024 and 25, the total government employees were 4,191. Today also it is 4,191, sir. Backward classes welfare department, the total government employee 2,641. Today also the total employees are 2,641. Women, children, disabled, senior citizen department, sir, the total government employees in this department is 4,126. Today also it is 4,126, sir. Now, sir, now you see, sir. Minority welfare department. Budget is 3,000. The total employees, government employees working in minority welfare department in the year 24-25 was 238. Aaj bhi 238. Sir, now you have to understand this major problem, honorable panel speaker, sir, is that the employees are very less. Minority welfare department needs to, at least, when we have, in tribal welfare, we have 8,405. Sir, and in scheduled caste, we have 4,000 change, backward classes 2,000, women disabled 4,000, in minority only 238. कैसा होगा साहब? हम बार बार बोलते हैं कि अगर आप माइनॉरिटी के लिए इंसाफ करना चाहते हैं, माइनॉरिटी के स्कीम्स को सक्सेसफुली इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं और स्कीम्स को कामयाब करना चाहते हैं, माइनॉरिटीज की हेल्प करना चाहते हैं, तो आप वो इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए